Have you ever experienced that you get up in the morning with full excitement, stating that want to achieve something big in your life, but very next moment you start feeling overwhelmed? If it is, then this video is for you. I will discuss more about what is the reason why you start feel overwhelming, and how to overcome that. So let's begin. So imagine waking up every morning excited to tackle the day because you know every action you take is leading you closer to your dreams. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today I am going to show you the exactly how to turn your vision into a reality, a step by step. Okay, so let me share the steps which I'll be talking about in today's video. So these are the three key topic which I'll be discussing in detail with you. The first one is creating a compelling vision. Step one is all about creating a vision that excites you. A clear and compelling vision is like a compass. It gives you direction and keeps you focused. But here is the catch. A vision isn't about wanting something, it's about connecting emotionally to that desire. Close your eyes and imagine what you feel looks like once you have achieved your goal. How do you feel? What does a day what does a day in your life look like? Write down the vivid detail. For example, if your goal is to run a marathon, visualize crossing the line, visualize crossing the finishing line, hearing crowd cheers and feeling that incredible sense of accomplishment. The more specific and emotional your vision, the stronger your motivation will be. Think of your vision as a fuel that will power you through the tough days. Second step is breaking it down to small steps. Not that you have a clear vision, it's time to find or it's time to define a actionable steps. You break the bigger goal into small steps. For example, if you want to save rupees 1 lakh in a year, divide into a 12, so you know this x amount you want to save with in each month. Now how to achieve that amount? You could divide maybe into weeks, or in a say in a daily part. If a daily I invest, for example, this say 500 rupees every day, at the end of month I will be having 15,000 rupees, and if I have 15,000 at the end of say year, I'll have 1 to 1.5 lakh rupees. For example, I have not done the calculation, but yeah. So what I'm trying to say is you break your bigger goal into a smaller steps, and as small as possible, and which you can do it very easily without taking too much of effort or putting yourself into a too much of a stress part, right? So every small steps, what you take will ultimately help you to achieve your goal. You would have read a phrase like, every small steps add up. As they say, the journey of 1,000 mile begins with a single step. So small step will ultimately help you to achieve your ultimate goal, whatever you have decided, right? And the third thing is stay consistent and overcome distraction. So staying consistent is the key to achieve anything in your life. Now, for example, you want to write a book, right? So you define that this, I'll spend 30 minutes every day to write my book, whatsoever is the condition is. Now, I'm sure you will, get distraction during the journey. So best thing is you set boundary yourself. You eliminate all your notifications devices. Could be say your mobile phone. Even you can set boundaries for your family members, stating that this is this 30 minutes you want to work dedicatedly on writing a book, so nobody should disturb you. You can define a time block, say every day night between 9 to 9:30 I'll spend 30 minutes in writing my book. So and you this is nothing but being consistent here, and setting a boundary for yourself for minimizing your distraction. And you might feel, because any major goal, it's a long term goal, it's a long journey which you have to go through it. So in during the journey you might feel demotivated. So how to handle that? It's very simple. Whenever you feel that I am demotivated, think about your end goal. Why you are doing that goal, what benefit you will achieve if or what benefit you will get if you achieve that goal. So that feeling of that major goal will empower you to be motivated and work towards that direction. So a phrase, as I would like to read it here, that thinking of your consistency as a snowball, it starts small, but as it rolls it gains momentum and show you will be. So these are the three crucial steps which you must take if you at all you want to achieve any goal in your life. Now before I wrap up, I want to give you a three bonus tips. The first tip is track your progress. So keep an eye of your progress, where you are heading. Are you, for example, you want to write say 30 minutes, on every 30 minutes you want to write say 5,000 words, for example, or 1,000 words, where are you able to do that or not? So tracking that is the way to whether you will be able to achieve your goal within a defined period or not. If not, what corrective action you need to take. Second is reward yourself. On every small milestones what you achieve. For example, if you want to write say a book which has a 15 chapters, so at the end of every chapter you can reward yourself that you achieved a small milestone. And third thing is surround yourself with support. So try to create a supporting environment around yourself, which will who will keep you, motivating, whenever you start feeling demotivated. That is another way of staying on track. So yeah, that's it in this particular video. So just to summarize, we talked about three crucial steps which you should and must uh, follow in order to achieve anything in your life. First thing is creating a compelling vision which will keep you empower, keep energy within yourself to achieve anything in your life. Break it down to a small steps. So break it down into a baby steps to achieve it. And finally, stay consistent and overcome all distraction whatever comes in during your way. So yeah, that's it in this video. If you found it useful, give thumbs up to this particular video, as well as share with your friends and family members, so that they will also get benefit from it. And if you want to learn more on productivity as well as time management skill, I invite you to join my next webinar. You will find the link in the description. So do register yourself, and see you in my upcoming webinar on productivity and time management skills. So yeah, I would love to see you there. So you can find the detail of the webinar, the timings, days when it is going to happen, in that link which I have given in the description. So I would love to see you there. Till then, have a good day. Bye.